Welcome to today's class. We're looking at indices. Now, the singular form of indices is index. Okay, now index simply means the power to which a number must be raised. Now, if you look at what we have here, we have a to the power of n. And now I indicated with an arrow that your n is the index while your a is the base. Now, your n is the number of times a is being multiplied. So if you are given something like this, a raised to the power of 3. Now your 3 is your n, while your a is your base. Now this is equivalent to a times a times a. Okay. Now, having understand that, let us go to the laws of indices. We have a lot of laws in indices, but we're going to be looking at these 5 in today's class. Now, the first one is what we call the multiplication law. The multiplication law given by a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. Now, it is very crucial that you understand that when you are solving indices, especially when using the multiplication law, make sure that the base are the same. Once the base are the same, look at the sign you have there. Now we have the multiplication sign showing that we're multiplying our a to the power of x by our a to the power of y. Now all you need to do here is to take one of these base and then add their power. An illustration will be given in our next class. The next one is the division law, given by a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y. And just like this one, you must make sure they have the same base before you can be able to collect one of the base and subtract their power. Now that is for the division law. Now the third one is the zero power law. Now for every zero power law, all numbers raised to the power of 0 gives you 1 except 0. So bear in mind that 1 raised to the power of 0 gives you 1, 10 raised to the power of 0 gives you 1, 20 raised to the power of 0 gives you 1, but 0 raised to the power of 0 won't give you 1, and we're going to see that in our next class. Now the fourth law of indices we have here is the negative power law, given by a raised to the power of negative x. Now once you are given something like this, all you need to do is to write the reciprocal of this. The reciprocal of this, taking away the negative sign from the power, and you have 1 all over a power of x. Now the fifth one is the positive power law. Now in this positive power law, you are giving a to the power of x, and you are multiplying everything here by y. All you need to do is to write out your a and then you multiply the two powers. Now we're going to see an illustration of this in our next class.